Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the font size in Amazon Kindle Oasis. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, so click on the three dots and head on to the settings. Inside you should be able to find the device options. Here select the display settings and go for the display size. Now if you want to change the size, there's two options, standard and large. If you click on large, the font should increase in its size, and if you go for a standard, it will be much smaller. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.